In this video, we are going to talk about how people make money from Google AdSense. So if you're someone who have been using Google all the time and you think it's free and all that, for instance, if you go on Google and search for who was the first president of USA or who was the first president of China and all that, you get all this information there and you think that, oh, this is a free thing that I've got and all that. But that free thing that you are reading and all that is making someone money. So that's what Google AdSense is all about. So how can you make money from Google AdSense? In this video, I'm going to explain that into details. So let's get started. Google AdSense is basically a tool that is created by Google to help creators to make money from the Google platform. Also, it also helps Google themselves to see how much they are supposed to pay to people who are actually using their platforms. For instance, we have a lot of platforms, right? We have Facebook, TikTok, and all that. So everyone wants people to be using their platform. So Google, once you can do something to help people to be on the Google platform, they can pay you. So what are some of the things that you can do for Google for them to pay you through Google AdSense? So one thing you can do is to create a website. So you can create a website and be writing contents or posting contents and all that. So what you are basically doing is that you are helping Google, you are producing something for Google. So once people are coming to read your content, you are bringing people to Google. So that time that people spend reading articles or learning tutorials from you using the website, Google, with the help of Google AdSense, Google will calculate how much time people spend with something called CPM, where people are reading the article from and all that, and pay you into your bank account. So that's one way you can make money from Google AdSense. Another way that you can make money from Google AdSense again is called content creation, or which is video creation, which is like something that I'm doing. So Google own YouTube. So anytime someone is creating videos and posting it on YouTube, definitely if you reach some point, YouTube will monetize you, or Google will monetize your videos that you are creating. Sometimes even if you have your own website, you can still be uploading videos. So if you're uploading the videos, still Google can be paying you through that particular website. So it's not necessarily to be on YouTube. You can create your own website and be uploading videos there and monetize the videos. So basically, these are some of the ways that people make money from Google AdSense. So one is you creating a website and writing articles talking about Shatawale, talking about presidents, talking about election, whatever it is. What you can write that will keep people on the website, do it. And the second thing is creating videos on YouTube or still uploading videos to your website. So anytime you are getting that engagement, definitely the Google will actually monetize your website or your videos on YouTube as well. So basically, these are some of the two ways you can make money from Google AdSense. Another way that you can make money from Google AdSense is through an app. Let's say you can develop application and monetize it. Once people are using the app, you just be earning money just like that, and you don't have to be doing anything. Yours is to take your time and create the app. For instance, if you go on Gigi right now, gigi.com, you open the app and you are scrolling looking for something to buy, you'll be seeing adverts displaying at the top. All these adverts are from Google AdSense, and Google will be paying Gigi.com, the company, for helping them to put adverts on their app. So basically, that is another way. So the first one is through video creation. Another one is through website contents, and the third one is through applications. So that's it. I believe this video has helped you to understand how people make money from Google AdSense. If you want more question about this, you can leave it in the comment section, and just after this video, I'll read it and take some time and make a video on that particular question you're asking. So that's it, guys. If you want more finance videos or tutorials like this, let me know in the comment section, because I'm ready to help you out. So see you in another video.